Hi, I'm Robert.
Hi, I'm Tiki.
And I'm Kelly.
And we're here at the Heal the Bay Aquarium. And we have a lot of things to show you.
Come on, check it out. But shh, they're sleeping.
These are sea stars known as bat stars. And they're just one of the dozens of underwater animals we're going to take a look at through our online learning program.
You'll meet sharks and lobsters.
And we'll even take a trip to the tide pools to see how many snails we can find.
When we're not getting up close and personal with these animals, we'll be doing all sorts of activities.
From experiments with water to creating our own creatures.
Nature journaling, scavenger hunts, microscopes, and more.
You'll learn a lot. We'll have some fun.
There'll be plenty of time to turn your computer off and get outside.
And you'll get to explore the wonder of the aquatic world that lives right outside your door.
Okay, and maybe a few steps or a bus ride away.
What are you waiting for? Come on, join the fun.
Heal the Bay's science and environmental action education.
Let's dive on in.